In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a hacked Steam account. If your Steam account has been hacked, the most important thing is to act as quickly as possible. The sooner you respond, the better your chances of securing the account before more changes are made. A hacked Steam account can mean lost access, changed login details, and in some cases, unauthorized activity. So the first thing you should try is resetting your password right away. If you still have access to your email address or any recovery options linked to the account, this can sometimes be the fastest way to regain control. If a password reset doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to go directly to the Steam account recovery website. Make sure you are using the official Steam recovery page and not a third-party link, since account security is critical in situations like this. Once you are on the recovery page, you'll see several support options designed to help with different login and account issues. From there, choose the option that says, "My Steam account was stolen and I need help recovering it." This is the correct path for accounts that may have been compromised or taken over by someone else. After selecting that option, Steam will guide you through a series of prompts. These prompts are there to verify that you are the rightful owner of the account, so take your time and answer as accurately as possible. As you continue, just follow the instructions shown on the screen. Steam may ask for details related to your account, recovery email, or previous account information to confirm ownership. Be patient during this process and make sure the information you enter is correct. Small mistakes can slow things down, so it's worth double checking each response before moving on. If you regain access, it's a good idea to immediately update your password to something strong and unique. You should also review your account security settings and check for any unauthorized changes. This can help prevent the same issue from happening again. The key takeaway here is simple. Move quickly, use the official Steam account recovery page, select the stolen account option, and carefully follow every instruction provided. Steam's recovery system is designed to help legitimate account owners get back in safely, and following the process correctly gives you the best chance of success. That's how to recover a hacked Steam account.